At Pangea Aerospace, we are preparing the future of space transportation, and we choose Toulouse. Pangea Aerospace is an innovative Spanish company founded in Barcelona. In Pangea Aerospace, we are developing advanced space propulsion technologies, delivering the best performances at a fraction of cost to our customers. And today we are developing a full line of products to be able to go through the whole range of thrust from the Newton to the meganewton, because we want to become one of the main providers, first in Europe, but also all around the world for such technologies. Pangea Aerospace ignited in 2021 the very first fully 3D printed aerospike engine. And now we are going for a bigger platform, still aerospike platform, relying on a strong expertise in advanced material processes, but also cooling technologies. Toulouse Team supported us from the very beginning, and it was very easy for us because they gave us a lot of contact in the administrative part, legal, HR, and it's so much easier for international business to set in Toulouse with Toulouse Team. And then also they included us very quickly in the local network and local ecosystem, which was very valuable too, of course. I think it's not overrated to say that Toulouse is a European space hub, and so it was obvious for us that we needed to land in Toulouse, and it's not so far to Barcelona, so yes, it was the best choice. What I love the most in Toulouse is, of course, being at Ernest Vallon and watching a game of the best ever rugby team in the world. I want to say Stade Toulousain, of course. And also I love to say at my place in the Lauragais, in the southeast of Toulouse, which is very quiet, and I love to enjoy the wonderful landscapes. Like Pangea Aerospace and Perseverance, choose Toulouse.